Alcácer do Sal is facing renewal. Once a small farming town in the district of Setúbal, unassumingly perched at the gateway between Lisbon and the great region of Alentejo, this place is now breathing new life. Derelict old buildings are now being restored, once quiet streets are now filling up with commerce. Fresh investments, inspired ideas, and new opportunities are now flowing to this place, as well as its surrounding destinations such as Troia and Comporta.
Alcácer do Sal é única, desde logo, por uma razão histórica, porque é das cidades mais antigas de Portugal. Ela quase que se confunde com a existência de Portugal como país, como nação. Em segundo lugar, porque tem uma magia que o Rio Sado lhe dá, em conjunto com o património, com o castelo medieval, com a cidade que não perdeu identidade e, em terceiro lugar, pelos seus campos. Temos espaço, temos horizonte, as pessoas aqui podem fazer uma evasão da sua vida.
It's significant to note that Alcácer do Sal is deeply connected to its history that dates all the way back thousands of years before Christ. An ancient town once named Salacia Urbs Imperatoria during the Roman Empire, a trading port that took huge importance being the source of manufacturing salt in Europe. Over the recent years, it's known for agriculture and its world-class rice production. However, something exciting is evolving here. Once a town that experienced neglect, where abandoned buildings are left to decline, the last few years in this town have steadily seen a wave of rehabilitation and restoration.
A evolução de Alcácer do Sal nos últimos tempos tem tido aceleradores, isto é, tem havido da parte da gestão municipal intensificar das obras de reabilitação, porque sendo uma cidade muito antiga e ela viveu períodos de algum declínio que hoje estão completamente invertidos.
Along with the municipal of Alcácer do Sal, Beyond Tagus works hand in hand to recharge life within the town, bring new investments to keep its identity and restore its beauty.
Alcácer to us represents an extraordinary opportunity for investment, and because of many different things. There's an agricultural background, there's wonderful wine and cheese and food and hospitality. So we really view Alcácer as not only a gateway, but actually as a destination more and more in and of itself.
A great new project is the restoration of Mansão do Passeio, an iconic property in Alcácer do Sal that's now the centre of a transformation led by Beyond Tagus, a company that aims to elevate this place, creating first-class accommodations, an event centre, an entrepreneurial hub and co-working space where fresh ideas can foster.
Our goals within Beyond Tagus are really to bring the spirit and the life of the original property back to life, breathing new ideas into an existing space. So we want to not only position our properties for the modern market, but also honor those who built these properties long ago.
Fui atravessando gerações, tive nos avós, depois os pais, agora já na filha e foi até ir para a reforma. Foi aqui que passei quase a vida toda, tenho muitas boas memórias. Ganhei outra vida porque imaginei sempre que isto fosse para ir abaixo, nunca pensei que fosse aproveitada. Gostava que fossem vivos e que vissem isto, sentiriam-se muito felizes os dois.
For us it's very important to see those old buildings and most of them were just all abandoned almost, and it's very important to see them being renewed. It used to be a very multicultural town from the historic days, so it's basically going back to our history, into our origin. So I think that will be the future for Alcácer. A lot of different people, businesses setting up, new businesses starting here and getting back to the old town of an historic Alcácer.
Vejo Alcácer do Sal nos próximos 5, 10 anos como uma cidade com um desenvolvimento equilibrado, seguro, com um desenvolvimento muito útil, vantajoso para quem nos procura.
5 years from now in Alcácer, we're pretty excited about that time because we believe it then that you're going to be seeing a whole bunch of international people living here. These will be people who will bring significant energy, capital and other people to the town and the region to show them this amazing Alentejo. We would see significant infrastructure build out in Alcácer. You would be seeing not only some wonderful hotels, I think that you would see much more of a nightlife here, the riverfront coming to life. There's already a wonderful group of restaurants here and taverns and shops, but I think that you're going to be seeing a lot more in the next 5 to 10 years.
Nós, em Alcácer do Sal, gostaríamos de ter investimento norte-americano. É uma oportunidade de investir numa cidade histórica que está junto ao mar, está junto ao Oceano Atlântico, está muito perto de Lisboa, que está perto de tanta coisa, mas também está longe e que as pessoas se sentem muito bem nesta distância.
Overall, bringing properties like this back to life, honouring the past and connecting it to the future are both visions that are coming to reality in Alcácer do Sal, a timeless town with people working together to create a regeneration that it truly deserves.